When you're building a small business or growing your brand, you need a marketing platform that does more than just send emails. You want automation, customer data, landing pages, maybe SMS, and a place where everything lives together. Two platforms you'll often hear about are Mailchimp and Brevo. Both aim to be all-in-one marketing suites, but they go about it in different ways. So, let's walk through what each does best, what trade-offs you'll find, and which might be the better fit for your business. First, let's talk about Mailchimp. Mailchimp started out years ago purely as email marketing. Over time, it has grown into a full suite: email campaigns, automations, CRM features, landing pages, ad campaigns, and more. It offers a polished user interface, strong templates, and a large library of integrations with e-commerce platforms, websites, analytics, and more. The thing you'll like, if you want something with maturity, wide support, and you plan to scale, Mailchimp gives you a lot of brand-safe features. That said, the trade-off is cost. As your list grows or your needs become more advanced, Mailchimp's pricing rises quickly. Some features like transactional emails or SMS may require additional cost or higher-tier plans. Also, the all-in-one angle is strong here, but sometimes you'll pay for features you do not yet need. Now let's look at Brevo. Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, positions itself as a more budget-friendly, flexible, all-in-one platform. One of its big selling points: you often get unlimited contacts at your core plan, and you pay based on sends rather than just number of contacts in many cases. It includes email marketing, SMS campaigns, chat, CRM capabilities, and even transactional emails in many plans. For small or growing brands that want the features but don't want the big price tag, Brevo can be very appealing. The trade-off, though, while it covers many channels, its interface may feel less polished than Mailchimp's. Some advanced features might be behind higher tiers, and depending on your team's needs, you may do a bit more configuration or tweak things yourself. But if cost efficiency matters to you, Brevo delivers a lot of value. Mailchimp wins when you want something very beginner-friendly. The dashboards are clear, the templates are strong, and you'll find plenty of resources and integrations. Brevo is still easy, but you might find yourself doing more setup or customizing workflows. If your team is small, Mailchimp might feel smoother right away. In short, Mailchimp gives you power, polish, and broad ecosystem support. Brevo gives you flexibility, value, and multi-channel capability at a lower cost. Both platforms are solid, trustworthy, and built for growth. But your best pick depends on what your business values most right now: ease and maturity, or cost efficiency and flexibility.